Hi guys, welcome to my channel and let's do wearable makeup transformation. First, I am using a foundation, a full coverage foundation on my face and now setting it with a setting powder. Make sure to use this foundation all over your face thoroughly with a damp beauty blender. Now for the eyes, because I was unable to cover my eyebrows, so I've actually found a hack. So I'm actually using this eyebrow pencil and I've drawn these comical eyebrows. And now for the eye shade, I'm using a dark brown matte eye shadow all over my eyelid and dragging it towards the brow bone. Okay, keep in mind that this is a beginner friendly, very easy wearable makeup tutorial, and I'm using this eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, and then drawing a wing with it. It's a basic wing eyeliner actually. Make sure to take your time over here. And now I'm using this white eyeliner pencil from Essence in a very animated style to create a very enlarged eye underneath my eyes, and I'm using that on the other eye as well, so make sure to use a lot because it's going to create that cartoon like face. And I'm using this dark brown eye shade, the one that I've used on the lid underneath it. So here you can see the eyes look so comical, so goofy, so cartoon like. And I'm using this highlighter on the high points of my face. You can totally skip it, but it gives a really nice effect. And I'm using this matte red lipstick from L'Oreal 347 in the middle part of my lips, as you can see over here. And if you make a mistake, then you can use the foundation or concealer on the outer corner of your lips. And now I'm going to fill the red lipstick with a shiny liquid lip gloss because it's going to give a very nice pouty look. But before that, I'm going to use this lipstick as a blush. It's a very nice technique to use your lipstick as a blush if you don't have the exact color, and it looks really well. And you can see I'm using this lip gloss. And now for the mascara. If you have these kind of like comical big eyelashes, you can definitely use it, but I'm scared of using eyelashes, so I refrain from it. And the makeup is done, so do let me know how do you find it. And till next time, take care of yourself and ciao.